hello. Welcome to Speak English Confidently podcast. It's another week, meaning to say there's another English term that we will be learning for this week, and we are expecting you to actually learn and apply it with us the whole week. So every week we learn something new so that we can broaden and widen our horizon. horizon our knowledge when it comes to speaking in English confidently. And for this week, we are once again with Erwin and Ria. Welcome here, guys.
Hi.
Thank you for your time. Yes. And for our term for the week, Erwin, can you mention our term for the week?
Stay on top of things.
Things.
Stay on top of things. I love it. Have you heard this term before, Ria?
Mm, Hindi on movies.
Movies. Okay,
Ah,
I've heard of this term so many times, and this is something that we will study together because I myself, I am not an expert with this. So, good thing there's this thing called flow, and we will learn it together. Let me show you guys how to use it. So, are you ready, guys?
yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Let me now share this. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So here you go. It says stay on top of things. So let us ask, what does it mean?
Stay on top of things. Stay on top of things means that you pay close attention to the matter.
It means that you have to pay close attention to that, to the matter. Okay. So let us try and practice this. Okay. It says here, let's practice using the phrase stay on top of things. So are you ready to record? Who wants to try this? Maybe Erwin can try it.
Sure,
Erwin, are
let's
you
try it.
ready? I'm gonna tap the record button and you will respond or you will repeat the term stay on top of things. Clear?
Clear. Let's go.
Very good. Let's do this, guys.
Okay, go.
Stay on top of things.
So now we are processing. Let us see the rating. It's time for the rating reveal. It says good. And what's good about the
Wow.
premium version? Let's give him a round of applause, okay? What's good
It's
about the
very
premium version is that they will rate you. It will rate you based on pronunciation, speed, and vocabulary. And it will literally tell you, like, per word, did you pronounce it right? See, there are different colors. Green means you did it right on that specific word. And that is a good start, okay? So let's go next. Okay? Okay, now say it 2 times. Ria, you say stay on top of things 2 times. Are you ready, Ria?
Yes, ready.
Okay, let's try this, Ria.
Stay on top of things. Stay on top of things.
Let's see her score.
Ooh,
OMG. Good!
good.
Good score. Let's give her a round of applause. Yes, it has to be round because it's a round of applause. Yes.
Yay.
Oh, that is very good, Ria. We are so proud of you. Let's see the next challenge. Okay. Let us use stay on top of things in some sentences to understand different uses of the phrase. Okay. Say, okay, I will do this for us, okay? I have to repeat this. When I do household chores, I stay on top of things. So let us now record this. Are you ready, guys? I'm gonna do this part.
Okay, ready.
Okay, let us do this, guys. Let us do this. When I do household chores, I stay on top of things. Let's see my ranking.
Let's see.
Oh
Oh,
my
good.
gosh. But I'm not ready for this. I'm not happy with my score, so I want to redo it. So you can actually do that. You can redo it by tapping tap to
Okay.
retry. So let us try this once again, okay? When I do household chores, I stay on top of things. Let's see. Is it better now? OMG. It's still good. Okay, that's okay. So the on is red. It means I didn't pronounce it right. It wasn't that clear, but that's okay. Nobody's perfect. We are all a work in progress. Do you agree, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
here
I
in
agree.
Flowspeak, it's a
Yes.
safe space to learn English.
Yes. With
Yes.
Flo, this is always a safe space to learn English. So it says here, good. Okay, let's try another sentence. Say, you have to repeat the sentence. And I want Erwin to say this. Are you ready for this, Erwin?
Okay, let me just read it. You
No, no,
really
no, no, no,
know?
no. Do not just read it. You read and record it. Are you ready? Are you
Sure, let's
ready
Yes,
for
go.
the
ready.
I'm
challenge?
ready.
You have to stay on top of this, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
You really know how to stay on top of things. You do all your homework and you attend every class.
Yes, let us see his score. Now rating the vocabulary and the speed. What is, oh, he got a good mark. And see, we see all the detailed feedback
Mm.
based on this, recording, which is amazing. If you guys want to try using this, it's linked in the description box. Do you
Yes.
guys use this also? You should use it. It says here, let's practice using these sentences. Reply to the following question. This time, the app will give you a specific situation and you will have to respond in your own way using the term stay on top of things. But if you don't know how to answer it, just click see examples and you see this. There's like a casual response. So you can just click this one so you can hear it.
I have to stay on top of things at work. We have a busy environment and new things come up every day.
So Ria, you can just repeat this. Are you ready for this?
Okay, ready.
Okay, perfect. Go.
I have to stay on top of things at work. We have a busy environment and new things coming up every day.
Let's see her result. Rating vocabulary.
OMG.
OMG. Yes. Are you ready for this? What is her score?
Excellent!
Wow.
Let's all give her a round of applause. Make it round, guys. Come on. Make it.
Yes.
See, look at that. I'm so proud of you. We're so proud of you. Oh, but we
Thank
have
you.
to focus on the
Yeah,
have.
the have.
Yes, you have to focus on the have. But that's okay. We are a work in progress. Let's
Yes.
start. Let's try this, Erwin. Do you expect your coworkers to stay on top of things? Let's see sample responses, okay?
Sure.
Here, there's one. It says here, let's hear this instead, okay?
Of course. We depend on each other, and it's important for the whole team to stay on top of things.
Are you ready for this?
Let's go. Bring
Of
it on.
course.
Yeah.
Bring it on. Okay, let us do this. Let us do this, guys.
Let me
Okay,
see
are you
the
ready?
examples.
You want to see the example? I'm sorry. Okay. I will now start recording.
Of course, we depend on each other, and it's important for the whole team to stay on top of things.
Yay.
Let's see the result, guys. Let's see the result. Are you nervous, Erwin, with the
Yes, I am, but it's okay. It's a safe place. Wow, I got an excellent.
Yay.
excellent score? Very good. So you see, guys, we are having fun while learning together. You guys should do this with your friends, huh? Again, if you want to experience this app, we have it linked in our description box. See, it's just a vocabulary, which is fine, okay? We just practice. The thing with learning English and how to be confident with a specific phrase or term, you have to keep on repeating and using it. Do you agree, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
agree.
repetition.
Repetition is key. Yes. It's my turn, guys. I stay on top of things in my house. I know when someone is having problems. So I just have to say it. Lucky me. I just have to say it. Let's see this. I stay on top of things in my house. I know when someone is having problems. Oh, what's my grade? What's my score? Give me an A plus. Come on. Excellent.
Wow.
Almost full, oh.
Excellent.
Very. I crushed this. I crushed this. I am very happy. Thank you so much, Flo. You're very generous. Let's go next. I think it's Ria's turn. All
Okay.
right. Good. Now you say this, Ria. Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
Let's do this.
All right, good. Now I say we must stay on top of things here, and I call the authorities to report the suspicious activity.
Let us see. Let us see the result. Are you ready to see the result, Ria?
Oh my God.
Are you feeling any? Oh, you got an excellent score.
Excellent.
We are getting better on this, guys. We are all in this together.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, it says here, you're ready to practice. Reply to the
The
following
following
questions. Erwin, it's your turn. In which places do you need to stay on top of things? Let us see some samples right here. Let me click samples and hopefully, there you go. So this is something that you will read, Erwin. Are you ready for this?
Sure, let's go.
Let's do this.
I need to stay on top of things in cities with a lot of crime reports.
Okay, let us see the result. Are you feeling any pressure right now?
Yes, I am. I have misread
Wow,
one.
excellent.
Excellent.
I love it. I
Moving.
love it. I love it. Congratulations. Now let's see what's next. Oh, what's next? Oh, there you go. How do you describe your performance at work? Ria, are you ready for this? You
Okay.
just have to read this. There are like example responses in a casual manner here.
Okay.
So Ria, are you ready for this?
Ready?
Let's do this.
I really know how to stay on top of things. I communicate with everyone involved and ensure that there is a complete understanding of what needs to be done.
Let's see.
My
Woo!
God.
Let's look at this, guys. Let us look at this. Oh my gosh, it's taking. Oh, excellent!
Excellent.
Let's see the breakdown. If there are words that we need to improve on
Mhm.
whenever we read or say something. And we are done with the lesson.
Yay!
Good.
Congratulations, everybody. Did you guys enjoy this session?
Yes.
Erwin,
Yes.
what do you like about this?
It is honestly, the app is giving us an opportunity to improve every time we say the phrase. So it's actually good. I might
And
really
plus,
use this.
it's no shame, right? Ria, do you
Yeah.
Yeah, no
agree?
shame.
Safe place to learn English.
Yes, very safe. And that is the reason why you guys should try this as well because the link is right like in the description box below.
Yes.
You guys can try the free version. And once you want to unlock more lessons, you guys can actually get the premium.
Mhm.
Okay, you can have it monthly or annually. I think there's quarterly also. I am not sure, but like check it out. We are all using it, and it has been helping us with our daily lives, and which is something that helps us to achieve our future career that we've been wanting to have. Because most of the time it's English that is really like pulling us back. And that is the reason why, sometimes you overthink, sometimes like me myself, I don't know if you guys experience this, but it's like there's this opportunity that we want to have, but what's blocking that opportunity is our confidence in English. So that is the reason why this is the perfect tool to help us with this or to solve this specific problem. And guys, stay on top of things, okay?
Yes.
Something that we need to practice every single day for the week. And next week, Ria, what is our turn for next week? And I'm very excited to do this with you guys again.
For next week, sum up.
Oh, sum up. Have you heard of that,
Yeah,
Erwin?
sum
Have
up.
you heard of that term?
Yeah,
Sum
I
up.
think so. Yeah. Sum up.
Yeah, sum up. There are some.
Sum up.
Sum up.
Well, if you guys want to learn like about that term, guys, do not worry. You just have to stay tuned. Make sure to follow and subscribe to this
Yes.
channel because we will talk about that term next week. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Yes. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.